Rhyl 1879, so we started in 2020. We started in the fourth tier of Welsh football because we're a brand new football club, actually starting with nothing. So we had to rent the ground, find a team and start playing. We're now in the Ardell League, so in the third tier, hoping to get promoted because we want to sort of try and give Rhyl community back the football heritage that it once had.
There's always been a really strong link between the football club and the community. We're demonstrating it today with we are supporting any funds that are raised today will be going to the local food bank. They do tremendous work in the community and it's only right that we as a football club support as many people that have support us, because them same people that are going to the food bank, they're coming through the gate and they are looking to support the club now and in the future. So it's great to give something back.
Mae heddiw sort of datganiad o lle da ni wedi cyrraedd. Mae'r hen glwb yn stryglo'n iawn efo'r ffaith dim yn nhw'n bia'r Belle Vue. A da ni wedi manager sicrhau Belle Vue I dyfodol pêl-droed yn Rhyl.
So I suppose we have to look all the way back to 2020 with the old club, and what happened was the old club went into administration, sadly, and there was with the history of the old club playing at Belle Vue, there was a group of people that approached me and Adam Roach, and Rhyl being the community it is, it wanted and the fans wanted a football club as such, and was there anything that we can do? So from there, in that first meeting, we had a piece of paper that said we wanted a new club, we wanted to be back at Belle Vue, we wanted a football team that was competing on a Saturday. But the future is looking really good for us.
My first time today with my daughter Lottie. I'm loving it, absolutely loving it.
Do you think you'll come back then?
Definitely coming back.
We used to come here as youngsters and see the old guys watching, and now we're the old guys watching, but it's nice to see all the kids coming up and they're the future of the club.
Football club means so much to the town. Since over 100 years of football at the club, many great memories, historic days, European football, winning Welsh Premier League, and with the ground now being under the ownership of the club, it's going to be a real positive future.
Mae'r clwb wedi bod ar dipyn o siwrna I gyrraedd y pwynt yma. Be ydy'r freuddwyd, be ydy'r uchelgais?
Welsh Prem, na fo. Mae yna blan yn y lle I trio mynd yn ôl na, chwarae yn Ewrop. Cael o Hobson Valley Community Stadium yn chwarae gemau yn Ewrop, yna di'r gol. Mae'n di gymryd amser. Da ni wedi bod 2 mlynedd yn y ardal North West ar y funud, so da ni'n gwybod mae'n mynd I o'n anodd, ond da ni'n credu yn ein hunan a'r clwb, a'r players sydd gennym ni ar y funud, da ni yn y lle da, ond yr gol ydy mynd nôl I Welsh Prem.